Alright, so box cover there, and I'm kicking off the BZR weekend, you know, and I'm starting off with the first party for me, which is Memba This. I'm there with the person who bring this event together, Ricky Platinum. How you doing?
Memba This.
Yeah.
It's a vibes.
Okay.
Everybody there. Inspired by the love of music. So big up Silent Agency, big up to J Upscale, and big up to Ryan Playboy for helping me bring this event to BZR weekend. It's a mad thing.
So when they are Memba This, you know chopper song?
No chopper song.
No, you get a little chopper song and them little something.
No chopper song. No chopper song.
Yeah, go back rubber dubby and give it a little night. The early Beanie Man Bounty Killer.
Remember the days when man used to forward come at the party, them not worry about champagne, them not worry about Guineas, Heineken. We're not too stressed. We want to go back to basic and make the people them enjoy the music. So you see tonight there's not too much cell phone and video light and them something. They want the people them just, we remember them times. And so we have Renaissance, the World Immortal Stone Love, and the young veteran himself, Ricky Platinum there.
Yeah, man.
Camera cleaning. All right. And Chris Bernal saying real, bringing them there from the Taurus energy, pulling with vibes. All right.
So somebody special going to pass through tonight, Ricky? Just tell me.
We have a few special guests in our place already. People still there for them waits early.
Yeah. So we have like a Chris Brown might have forward. We can't get like the special.
We not talk to. Anything can go on.
Okay, I remember this, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Marty.
So before you go in, Ricky, do you have a favorite oldest song? I forgot here which song that.
Oh God.
You must have the one song that when they say you got one oldest party,
you know,
it's have to play.
You know, so Mr. Retired in Ravers. I'm back in the days.
You retired what?
Ravers.
No, so you used to dance?
I used to dance, you know?
So you have to give me a move, man, Ricky.
That's
you have to get at the bogo. But you see that?
Yeah.
Bonky Dido, alright. Yeah, Ricky, alright, Bonky.
That's how I go on.
Alright,
no man. Go on tonight. Tonight, I'm mad thing. Memba This. Old school vibes. You can't go wrong with old school.
Yeah, man, so you're going to all of the other party them and these
all
things,
of the
right?
other party them. I'm even going to play up on the show.
Oh, jeez, I'm P, man. Yeah. Ricky, you're the person we need to know.
Yeah.
The man say about the DMV area, like, you know, so you see when I am traveling, but I forgot to shout if I make a way to one of your party them.
I feel forward to come on the DMV. DMV is a nice place. You always hear about New York, you always hear about Florida, ATL and LA.
Yeah.
DMV, DC, Maryland, Virginia area is the place to be.
So you tell me so them not boring and them so them know for party.
Them not boring, people think a country. I'm not country. We're
okay.
at.
We're take your word for it, you know, Ricky.
We're at.
So that is it, you know, like, we're going and showing you some more of the excitement. Ricky tell me, say, I'm going to give me a little access up there, so let's see if he will keep his word. Yeah. All right, keep it locked.
I
don't know why.
Wait, you guys remember that interview? I was like, Mom, I'm baby now.
Yes, to that. Yes, to that.
Big up everybody who roll out this ball.
All right, that's it, thank you.
When you talk about Memba This, you have to remember tune like them here. Every girl is waiting for something nice. You remember now
I've had to ride up for about 3 years now.
All right,
get my
party here. Memba This. Who remember this? Who remember this?
Always Black Street Teddy, the original rock shaker, running down.
Yes, I like it. Oh, I like it.
I'm in Jamaica. J Upscale, my brother. Oh no, after 2 o'clock now, we can't turn it up now, right? After 2 o'clock, we can't turn it up now. this morning. What you said?
It's a nice sunny evening, a cool afternoon. Nobody has to work, nobody goes to school. Sit down on the corner, joke around.
What we saying?
The elders play dominoes, children play food. I love college.
Level that. Everybody look to your neighbor. I don't care if you don't know that person. Say neighbor, wagwan. Wagwan. Look to your neighbor and say neighbor, wagwan. You know why?
Family. Needs a family. If I want to be a friend killer.
Who knows?
Believe in a friend killer.
Sing.
Family.
Who knows? Where's my people? You're not snitching on your friend. If your friend fight, you a fight too. Where's my people? You getting more money than your hater. Who the yes, sir. Who knows? If you don't say if your friend fight, you fighting too. What the plan now?
We have couple down, but we know that it's true. Let us alone, let us loyalty before you put the family, just remember me.
Buy your liquor, enjoy yourself, cause it's a BZR weekend. BZR weekend. Jason, what name? The great family in the place, big up yourself. But not because the party name Memba this, it have to go straight 90s, no. It's just Memba this. You know what I mean? So yo, here's truly Jazzy T, Delano there, you know the thing. A big up Chow and the whole family. St. Elizabeth crew in the place, you know what I'm going now? Right now. If you need some personal items right now, check DJ Boom.